All right, great. Good morning, everyone. I'm Franco Castaldini with ThoughtWire. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer. I'm going to tell you a little bit about ThoughtWire, what we do, and why we're different in less than 5 minutes. Good. Oops, my bad. There you go. All right, so operations performance management, something that you haven't heard about probably until this conference, but we believe operations performance management is the better half of IoT. We've talked a lot about making data actionable, going from data to decisions. That's what operations performance management is focused on. In ThoughtWire, we're focused on the built environment. We're a venture-backed company with 17 customers, 29 million square feet under management, and we're headquartered in Canada. Our focus has been working from the person, working from the building engineer, the facility manager, and going backwards to the data that's required for the outcomes that they want. Our applications are all built on a common platform, which enables us to connect to IT, OT, and IoT data sources. And we utilize those data sources to build a digital twin. A digital twin creates the semantic linking across all of these siloed data sources and enables the people then to get the information they need at the right time and, of course, at the right place. We utilize a in-memory graph database, which allows us to create very broad connections across these different data silos, and we've architected it to be able to perform at real time. And as a result of this technology, we've been, of course, recognized by a variety of different outfits. So we have two applications, one that's intended for the occupant in the building, which is improving the overall tenant and employee experience, doing things like environmental controls, improving their productivity within the building, enabling tighter community and collaboration across occupants inside the building, and also ensuring that safety and security is accomplished through emergency notifications and utilizing your phone to enter the building securely. But we have a strong point of view that in order to improve the tenant experience, you also have to improve the building's operation. Just like Steve from Time Warner discussed his vision for a smart building, it needs to include better operations and a better experience. To do that, we also have a building operator-focused application called Precision Hub, which is giving the operators complete command and control over the building, built on the same data layer that our tenant experience app, the At Work app, utilizes. Why is that important? You have a digital twin that then is allowing us to do workflows across those two different personas.
Just when you say digital twin for the audience, what is that? That might be a new term to some folks.
For us, it's a data model. It's a data model that creates the relationships across all these different siloed data sources. So I'm a person who works in this building, I go to this zone within the building, I'm connected to these devices by virtue of my location in that building. I entered the building at this time, I ordered food, et cetera. You can go on and on and on. So all of those connections and relationships are stored in our database, and we use that information to support our applications. So Precision Hub has been able to reduce the operating cost of a building by an average of 88 cents per square foot for the customers that we've worked with. And the daily engagement of our At Work app has been about 65%. So how does it work? Connectivity is key, so you need to be able to connect to these data sources, IT systems, IoT sensors, OT systems. OT systems can be your BAS, it can be your CMMS. IoT, of course, your lighting, a variety of other different sensors within your buildings. IT systems could be your CMS, your ERP, etc. We have a connector factory that allows us to connect to these data sources, and we pull all of that data into our twin, our digital twin, like I just talked about. That's organizing the data for you, and it's supporting our two applications. And along with collecting and organizing that data, we also can orchestrate processes, we can do complex events processing, alerts and notifications, closed loop communications, etc., etc. What's really great about utilizing this as an intermediary layer before you start pushing data to your lake is it's going to avoid the data swamp challenge. So it's organizing the data, and then we support open APIs, RESTful for example, to push that data to wherever you'd like to go. Because our database is in memory, we actually don't store any of the data. And that gives us the flexibility and gives our customers the flexibility to push that data to the cloud or to push it to your on-premise data lake, your choice.
1 minute warning.
1 minute. And that's it for me. Thank you very much.
Great. So we talked about the data and integration platform and what you guys are able to do with it.